Hello there, YouTubers. I had trouble with my range. It wasn't any problem with the range. It was me. I couldn't figure out how to get the dual oval griller working on this brand new GE profile gas range. It's excellent, but I did not know in order to turn on the grill, turn it on, center lights, turn it all the way to low. When it's on low, you push it in and turn it to grilling mode. These instructions are not in the manual, and on their website they're a little confusing. So once again, turn it on, lights, turn it to low, push in, and then continue to turn it counterclockwise to get it into grilling mode. There you go. Hope it helps somebody.